What's going on YouTube? So we received a product from our friends over at EVBase because we were receiving this new Quicksilver Tesla Model Y Performance not too long ago. They wanted to get us protected on our 20-inch or 21-inch rims as soon as possible. As you can see back here, we have a great looking rim, no scuffs, no curb rash, nothing like that, and it can be quite easy to do because these do stick out a little bit back here as they're staggered on the Tesla Model Y Performances, and even on the 20-inch ones. To be honest with you, on all these, very easy to scuff up when going against the curb. So, getting to the point, head over to evbase.com. You can look through the different options that they have for the 21-inch Tesla Model Y, such as carbon fiber, white. It all prevents curb rash. They're all for the 2020 plus to 2024 Model Y Performances. Add it to your cart. Go ahead and get as many as you want and add the code JTheDev. During checkout, hit apply, and you will save money off your entire cart. We only have these rim cases in our cart, so we're saving $28 off the bat. Go ahead, continue on to checkout, put in your information, check to make sure that code is in there, and you're good to go. Do you see anything different here? This rim has what's called their rim case on it, and it just pops right in around the rim and protects it right here. So it's one piece molded. It has the notch for the air inlet, and it just goes around and it just stays in there, and it's super secure. I took one off over here. I've been testing it and using it. Haven't hit any curbs, so that's good. But as you can see, it just protects it. It was a little dusty because I just took this one off, but there is no marks on it whatsoever, and it's super easy to put on. Let's show you how to do it. So you can probably see it swaying just a little bit. I just have it rested right up here. Go ahead and match up the inlet for the air, and then you just literally go around and you just snap it into place accordingly. It does take two hands, but it's literally as easy as that. Let me go ahead and snap it in place. We'll see what it looks like after. I guess you already did see. Let's see again. So I did have a prior Model Y that I scuffed up the back tire over here going around a corner. Absolutely sucked, looked like crap. With these, just order a new set. It's way less money than ordering a new rim, and it looks great. Doesn't clink around going down the road. I've been testing it for about 2 weeks. Stays on perfectly, no tape, no nothing. It's amazing. So hats off to this product. Definitely looks great, and no one will literally ever know it's on there. That's what I like about it. It just looks normal, and it, again, scuffs up, get a new one. So thank you to EVBase for sending these out. Simple product, an essential thing to have for any new Tesla. Even if you scuffed up yours, get these and protect it, and also cover it up. I mean, kind of a win-win there too. So go to EVBase, fill up your cart, use code JTheDev at checkout, save your rims, and get a bunch of other accessories from them. Outstanding company, great support, gotta love them. Go ahead, share this, like, support us. We just got partnered, so this is a great video to go ahead and start our new journey with, and we thank you for being a part of it. Until next time.